these all people from your company?
All right. So let's see. So part 7 says using your calculator, or not part, number 7. Use your calculator, SPSS, or Excel to compute the sample mean and standard deviation for the 15 piece. In part 2. So I got my mean is 46.73.
Yep, so I got.
Yep.
And then the standard deviation was 8.83. But how did, okay, so I actually configure, I forgot how to do that. So to get the standard deviation, what did you do to get?
I have it. Well, I have it in my notes.
If I just do the.
I did it in Excel.
Okay. So how did you do this part in Excel? Like I tried to put in all these numbers and then tried to figure out like, but I couldn't. I don't know. I couldn't tell. I couldn't get the mean and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know. Maybe I just need to go back and look through things. But
let's see. I can't remember exactly what I did here.
I'm actually trying to put it in right now in the quantitative inference. I'm just going to see what it does.
Did anybody do it in SPSS?
No.
Okay, it actually, so if you do, I did the quantitative inference procedure one. Pulled that up. And I just typed in, so in variable 1, I just typed in all the numbers. And then you put the null hypothesis is 47, then it will give you everything. So the standard deviation is 8.83. The mean is 46.73.
Yep.
Okay.
The only thing I had different was the p-value.
Okay.
I think. And actually the t-value was a little bit different too, because hers was 0.118 and mine says 0.117 here.
Okay. Yeah, because on this, the t-value, when I put it in here, the t-value is negative 0.117.
Yeah, and I think,
All right.
what does it say? I have to go to her answer key, but I'm pretty sure it says 0.118.
118.
Yeah.
And then from there, I was trying to figure out how to get the p-value.
Yeah, and this one, the p-value is 0.54. I mean, it's pretty long, 0.54573.
So hers says 0.9077, and my Excel says 0.9085. So it's not off by too far, but it's off by far enough that we'd get it wrong on the quiz.
Yeah. So I put. Okay. I had to switch my. I was gonna say I'm way off, but I just switched the type of test to not equal to.
Yeah, you have to do that.
Okay, because I was like, mine's showing 0.0 or 0.54, but yeah, now mine's 0.908.
Yeah, and I think everything else is the same.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know.
I don't know, because I feel like, yeah, everything that I was trying to do, it was always off on the.
Yeah, and I wonder if hers was a little bit different somehow.
Yeah, I don't know. So. Okay, well, let's continue on, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, so part 2, number 1, says, what are the requirements for creating a 95% confidence T-interval? So you have to have
Go ahead.
a random sample from the population,
Yep.
and the mean are normally distributed.
Mhm.
For the means, mean
Yeah.
is. Okay.
Yeah,
Then number 2, create a 95% confidence interval to estimate the mean average of all the clients. Input your numbers to compute number 7 of part 1. And then show your work below. So I just did, the T-score is 2.1448
Yep.
times the standard deviation, which is 8.83, and that's divided by a number which is the square root of 15. So then I get 4.889, right? And then you plus or minus that from the mean, the 46.73.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so,
what
you get
did you
50,
get?
I got 51.6 and then 41.8.
Yes.
Okay, the number 3, create a 99% confidence interval. So you do the exact same thing, but you change the T-score to 2.9768, right?
Yep.
And then you get 6.7867 plus or minus 46.73, which gives you 53.5 and 39.9.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So number 4, it says using the software compute these. Aren't you going to get the same answers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. To one decimal place, they're the same, but to 3, I got them as just a little bit different.
Yeah.
Makes you wonder what's more accurate.
I know. Well, I think Excel uses all the decimals, so if you like round the standard deviation off or whatever, then you'll get a slightly different answer. But
That makes
it makes me wonder what she wants us to use.
Yeah.
I know.
or like a range of answers, like a small range of answers as it could be the answer. I don't know. I don't know how they can set it. I don't know.
Yeah.
But
Okay. Let's see. So then number 5, how does this margin of error of the 95% confidence interval compare to the 99% interval? It's smaller.
Yep.
Okay. Number 6. Rather than estimating the age of his clients, he would like to test the claim that the age of his clients is different. So state the null and alternative. The null and alternative. Sorry.
reasonable. The null is that they equals 47, and the negative is that doesn't
It's not 47.
Yeah.
Because, which makes complete sense because it's either they're going to be 47 or they're not.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. And then B, compute the test statistic. First compute it using the formula and show your work, then check this by inputting the data in the software.
Yeah, so this is where I'm confused because here I got negative 0.117, but her answer sheet says negative 0.118, and the software also says negative 0.118. So
I've read that.
See, I did it just on my own where I did the formula, and I got negative 0.118.
So what it is if you round the standard deviation to 8.83 instead of using the 8.827.
I think so.
Big difference.
Yeah, that makes it 0.118 instead of 0.117.
Yeah, because I just did it from what I had gotten the standard deviation, the 8.83 from the beginning.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, I wonder what she wants us to use, or how she wants us to round it. All right, C. State the degrees of freedom.
So I really don't know what that means, to be honest.
So the
It's
degrees
just,
of freedom. Oh, go ahead.
It's just the sample size minus 1 is what degrees of freedom are. I don't know how that's used, though.
Okay.
Like, I don't know why it's important, I guess, because I've never used it in any of the formulas or taken into account. So.
Yeah.
Okay, well, oh, there we go. I found it. Sorry, I had a hard time finding it in the reading stuff.
And then sketch the t-distribution and shade the area which represents the p-value.
So how do you, like, you're just supposed to draw it? Or...
I guess so.
I think that's what she's asking. So,
because she has like a, like on some of on the book stuff, it shows those, the t-distribution. It looks a lot like the probability applet, but it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I wish there was like an applet for it that we could plug in those numbers, because I don't think it works for the z-score.
No, it doesn't. It's different. The T is.
Yeah. Because I just put it in the applet, and it gave me the wrong p-value.
Yeah.
and there's not an app for that, is there?
No.
No.
So we have to
Unless
plug it
you just
into the
have-
software.
Yeah, I was just gonna say you have to use the software.
But my only problem with that is the software gave a different answer than what she gave. So
What did you get when you put it in software or in
the
Excel?
p-value came out as 0.9085,
That's what I got too.
and her p-value came out as 0.9077.
I wonder if she's. Let's see if we put this standard deviation.
Like if we changed it to,
8.83. I know, that's what I'm wondering.
yeah.
It still gives. It didn't change anything.
No.
And I don't know if I'm like doing it wrong or. But.
No.
Huh. I don't know.
Maybe the mean has to be 46.73 instead of like more.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, that changed it.
No, it did. But it changed it to 0.9074. Did she have 0.9077?
Yeah, she does.
Yeah.
But it changed the t-score to negative 0.118
Yeah, it did.
because before it was 117. But it also changed the. Oh no, it didn't. I was going to say it changed the confidence intervals, but it didn't. So, I wonder. At least that's closer now.
Yeah, that's close, like to 3 decimal. Well, I guess it's not because she has 0.7 that would round that up.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So I don't know. It's kind of obnoxious that you have to be that precise because,
I know.
like, one wrong thing and you're.
I know. It's gonna change. Yeah.
I wonder
change
how
that
you
much.
calculate that p-value though.
I don't know.
Because, like, if you look at the formula that's typed in and you click on the p-value,
Yeah.
it's like crazy.
It's huge. I know.
So, anyway,
Yeah. All right. Well. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if we wanted to email her or ask her. I don't know, but. Because I feel like we're getting all the same answers, but it's just a little bit off from what she got. So at least I know I'm doing it right if everyone else got it.
yeah, I think that's really all we can do, I guess.
Yeah. All right. So F, state your decision. Do you reject or fail to reject the level of significance?
Fail to reject
Fail
it.
to reject it. And then present your conclusion in an English sentence. We don't have enough evidence, sufficient evidence.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we go do the test?
Yep, might as well.
Okay.
So,
What's the p-value though? Is there somewhere in the reading? Because I'm going through the reading, I've been going, and I still couldn't find anything. Is there somewhere that explains like give the formula for it, or you just have to like I just didn't know what to do.
No,
Or since the p-value is given in software, so
yeah.
Okay.
Because I
Yeah.
don't think there's a formula for it.
Because I was just trying to see if there was a formula instead of just being a number or like I don't know, like a constant or whatever.
Yeah.
So
What I'm wondering is if SPSS like calculates it just slightly differently, and
It's a little
so
different.
she did it in SPSS and got kind of different answers.
yeah.
different program probably. So
All right.
get started.
Now we'll start with the quiz. Oh, by the way, Joe, did you get all since you cut out last time, did you get all the answers?
All the one that we missed, which is fine.
Okay.
So,
Number 4.
the other last two or whatever it was really easy to figure out. So
Okay.
Good.
Sorry about that. We tried to wait.
I kept on trying to call, and like it would not send. So
Weird, because we didn't get anything, and then I called you again, and nothing happened. So I just wanted to make sure.
That's the thing I hate about the school's internet. I was up on campus, and so I was doing it up there, and
Oh, yeah.
it didn't work ever.
No.
It's just so frustrating. So
All right. Well, glad you only missed one.
yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay. I know. I was too. All right. Number 3. In previous lessons, we've assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about standard deviation. What has changed?
It's unknown now.
It's unknown. Our hypothesis is 8. Alternative is
Is this like a trick question?
I know.
Because it says up there that the standard deviation sigma is not known, and they're asked if it's known.
But doesn't S take over for the standard deviation?
Yeah, but S is just the standard deviation of that sample.
Yeah, it's
and
not
so
there.
the standard deviation of the population is not known.
Yeah, I'd say no.
Is that right? Or am I crazy?
No, I'd say it's no.
Because yeah, this is.
But wouldn't we use the 6 in place in
Yeah, we would have to use that. But in this case, we're calculating the t-score instead of the z-score. When sigma is known, then we calculate a z-score, and we can use the probability estimate.
I would also say no.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So this is where we do.
So t is equal to...
All right. Did you guys get number 5? What did you guys get?
1.5.
1.5?
Yeah, I got 1.5.
Okay, same.
I must have done something wrong because I got 1.7.
Oh, we only had room to 1 decimal point.
No.
So let's see.
Minus
The
8.
t-value is 11 minus... Oh, I know what I did.
11.
Divided by 6. Divided by the square root of 9.
Yeah, I did 11 instead of 9, so
Oh.
that's wrong.
So 1.5?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Alright. Use the following values. Copy and paste them in your software so used.
So I can't pull up SPSS on my laptop, but I can do it Excel, right?
Yeah.
What was that?
The SPSS won't pull up on my laptop, so I can't get that to work, but still put all this data into Excel, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, what does it say? 98.6 is the null hypothesis. And what are we looking for? That is we're looking at greater than, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What's the mean?
For the mean, I got 98.22.
Why is mine still?
Yeah, I put 98.22 as well.
Mine
Yeah,
didn't.
98.22 as well.
Mine didn't change. I'm still on the other one. My mean and my standard deviation didn't change from the last one.
Oh, it's you put those in the last one. You have to click on that cell and put equals average and then highlight all those.
Is this for Excel?
Yeah, this is Excel.
Okay, wait.
It says we're supposed to use SPSS, but I am not a huge fan of that.
Yeah, me neither. I like Excel a lot better.
Okay, wait, and then we push what on the?
So on that cell or by mean, just hit equals average, and then do your parentheses and highlight all the numbers. Do copy and paste them in.
I got 98.22 for the mean.
Yeah,
Is that what everybody else got?
yeah.
Is that the mean that we're looking for, though? Like, that's this question, right? Or
Okay, I still didn't get it to change, but.
Huh.
So where do I? Sorry, I'm.
So under like where it says summary statistics,
Oh,
go up there and click on that cell that's highlighted in blue and just hit equals and then type in average
Okay.
and then parentheses and then highlight highlight all your numbers and then close the parentheses and hit enter.
Okay. Did you guys get 98.2?
I got
Yep,
98.22.
98.22.
98.2. Okay. Sorry.
Right?
We're on 3 places, so it's 98.220.
220. Yeah.
Yep.
And then what's the S?
We're supposed to find the S on Excel. The 20.
It comes out. You could highlight those and put do equals stdev dot s.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
ST.
then highlight all the numbers and hit enter, and that should give you a standard deviation for this sample.
I don't know if it's doing that well. You get 0.922. Yeah, 0.
Here, what'd you guys get on that one?
You get 0.922.
Yep, I got that too.
0.922.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the T-score?
Another function for that one.
I got negative 1.843.
Is there a way to do that on Excel? Oh,
Yeah. Let's I can do it on the calculator.
I guess we have all the information now that we have.
Yeah.
Yeah, once you have the S and X, you can just do it by hand.
And yeah, I still get negative 1.843 by hand, so
Okay.
that's a good sign.
Sorry, what'd you get for the T-score?
Negative 1.843.
Yeah.
Okay. So make sure.
I don't get why they want us to use SPSS so bad.
Yeah, I know.
I don't either.
Excel's already built into most people's computers with their Microsoft stuff.
Yeah, after this class, we'll probably never use SPSS again.
Yeah.
We'll use different out.
The thing that was obnoxious to me was on the exam we had to use SPSS.
Yeah.
Oh, it was so hard to keep it open.
I know, you're like,
Going back and forth, you're like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, it was ridiculous.
Right, dude.
I hope that's not like every exam. Like, here, why don't you use these? Because you can't copy and paste the numbers into Excel
Yeah, exactly.
onto your computer. So
Yeah, it was a pain.
did you guys get .960 as the p-value?
Okay, so let's see.
You said .960?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got.
How do you find that again? I'm sorry.
Should say on Excel.
Is it just yeah, is there like a function for that one though? Or?
Sorry, all my stuff's all screwed up.
It might help to reload the. You might have
Okay.
changed one of the formulas or something.
I know, that's what I'm doing. I'm just reloading it. I'm adding in everything else again. Because yeah.
There's a function for how to find the p-value on Excel.
Okay, so I got the p-value is 0.96. 0.96.
9.0. Yeah, 0.960.
Yeah, that's what I needed to do. I just needed to redo everything, put it in
Yeah,
again.
I'm sure one of those formulas just got messed up for you.
Yeah. Okay. All right. What's the correct decision based on this evidence?
So you
So it's
failed.
greater
Fail.
than
Yeah,
no,
fail.
that's it. Okay. Ugh. Just don't have to redo it again. Okay, let's see. Okay. You use level of significance. What's the p-value?
For this new one, I got .995.
So
It just seems like it's way off for some reason to me, but
I know. Is that with the 0.01? And I don't know where you would change that.
no, yeah, there's nothing.
No, so that's what I got too.
Yep. So, what do we do? Huh.
Did everyone else get that one?
Yeah. It's kind of weird that the numbers are so all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still having a hard time figuring out how to find the p-value.
Do you have the, it's called quantitative inference procedure sheet pulled up?
I don't. That might be why.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because then you put in all of the information on the side, and it pulls everything up.
Okay, that would make a huge difference because I'm like just trying to figure this out.
You're like, where the heck are you guys getting these numbers?
No, seriously, I'm just like, what's going on? Where do I have to find that?
In lesson 11.
Yeah, it was in the lesson.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, and it was on one of the Excel, I think it was the very first Excel one,
Okay.
examples, and it just says the quantitative inference procedures.
Yeah, that'll help. Because I don't know how they calculate the p-value in this.
Yeah, they have a ridiculously long formula.
Okay, so number 12, what decision do you make? Oh,
Did you guys
sorry.
get the p-value?
What was that?
What did you guys get the p-value?
0.995?
0.995.
Yeah.
So this case, U is less than 40, right? In this one? Oh, sorry. That's for the next one.
Yeah, so 12. What decision do we make? We
Failed.
fail to reject.
Yeah.
And try an hypothesis. So my p-value decreased.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It came out as 0.502.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, and then do we reject or fail it? Or fail to reject?
Still failed to reject.
Yeah. Because it's above 0.05.
Yeah.
So we fail to reject when it's above 0.05?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In this case, it's 0.01, but
0.01.
whatever is above the level of significance. Yeah.
Okay, then we fail to reject it. Okay. I just want to make sure. Okay. And compare the width of the confidence interval from question 11 to question 13. Which one's wider? So let's see. Confidence
They
interval.
changed for you guys. Because the confidence interval doesn't change for me when I change that.
Let's see. It didn't change for me either.
Okay.
Yeah, I got they're the same.
Well, because
Well,
nothing changed I mean, the p value changed, but none of the like the mean
Numbers.
and none of the numbers changed, just the
Yeah,
p.
they're normally in the equation.
Yeah.
So they've got to stay the same if you're not going to be changing anything else.
Is your t value like super small? 0.006
Yeah.
on there?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then let's see. Yeah, and it doesn't change. The only thing that changes on these are the p value.
So I'm trying to figure out why that confidence interval is so huge if the t value is so small. Maybe I'm not doing this right.
Hmm.
Because if you do it by hand with that t value,
Mm-hmm.
0.006 times by the standard deviation divided by the square root of 21. You get like 0.00 or 0.047, and then you subtract that from the mean, wouldn't you? Is that how that works? So the confidence interval is mu minus the t-score times the standard deviation over the sample size, the square root of the sample size.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I still get that t-score. I just don't know why the confidence interval is so huge. I guess what are your numbers on the confidence interval?
Oops. Yeah. And mine are 23.499 and 56.597.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like 17 away from the mean on your side, or
No.
16.
Yeah. I was gonna say
What
that's huge.
Because your confidence level says 0.95. Huh. I don't know.
Cause yeah, we should be. Times 36.3. Yeah, it shouldn't be. That's weird. I don't know.
I don't know either. Because it worked for the other ones. So, I don't know.
Hmm.
Well, it's probably my turn to see if this.
Alright.
So, I will do that really quick. Let's see. Okay, so on 9 we got the p-value wrong. And 10 we're supposed to reject the hypothesis.
Okay.
But everything else is
So the
correct.
p-value's got to be small. Okay.
Yeah.
So 15.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 15 was the same. And then on 11, 0.995 was correct for the p-value.
Okay.
But on 9,
Hmm.
for some reason, that's not.
What happened?
See. Type these in again. Which one are we? Constant allies, compare means, constant interest. Okay.
Yeah, so this time I'm getting a p-value of 0.08.
Hmm.
Did that change for you guys?
I tried doing it in the SPS, but let me just get out of that and let's do it in Excel.
So whatever the p-value is, it has to be less than 0.05, right?
Yeah. Because we have to.
So this says the p or mu is less than that. Huh? Why? I don't know why it's different now, but it's 0.040 is the new p-value I'm giving.
Hmm.
Oh, is it because we put greater than instead of less than? If I put less than, now I put less than and it's 0.04.
Did we have greater than before? That's
I
why
think
it had
we did.
less than. Yeah.
Okay, so it's 0.40 and then we reject it because it's actually smaller now.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
Oh.
0.04. Oops.
Yep. 0.040.
40.
No hypothesis.
Then you reject it.
Okay, should we
Yeah.
try that one?
So have to be careful about that.
Yeah, I'll submit it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I estimated it. We got 100.
Yeah. Okay. Dang it.
Yeah, that was
This
it.
one.
That'll do it.
All right.
Yeah, one little mistake and it's all
I
done.
know.
Yeah.
Shoot, sorry.
No worries.
All right. Uh-oh. Joe's off again.
Man, he gets kicked off at the worst times.
I know. Let me
Yeah.
see if I let me see if I can get him back.
Oh man.
Because I can't see if he's calling. Yeah, I can't. Darn it. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know how long he's been gone.
I don't know.
Yeah. He's been quiet for a while, so.
I know.
know.
Shoot. It's hard
Ever
to see
since-
when we're doing that test because then I don't see my screen.
Yeah.
Then it goes quiet.
Oh, man.
Yeah, the last time I heard him was when he was trying to open up that Excel file.
Oh man.
Shoot.
That's-
I'll try and invite him one more time. Let's see. Oh, darn it. Yeah. I don't know what to do.
Well,
Oh well.
yeah.
I guess we'll just finish and post it. Hopefully he figures it out.
Yeah, hopefully he figures it out.
I feel bad. I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll be alright.
Yeah. All right. Well, then I guess we'll meet. I don't even know what date it is. Monday.
Yeah, we'll meet
Monday.
Monday. 7
Okay.
o'clock.
Monday at 7.
Alright.
Alright. See you guys then.
Okay.
See-
See ya.
Take care.